The battle over what lies beneath a Chesapeake golf course has taken another turn. Plaintiffs in the fly ash lawsuit against Battlefield Golf Club appeared in court to argue they had evidence to support their case, but the defense and judge felt otherwise. This stems from a 1.5 million tons of fly ash from Dominion Virginia Power's generation plant. For years, both sides have argued whether the ash poses health and environmental risks. 10 on your side's Melanie Woodrow is live now with the latest. So, Melanie, does this mean this case is over?
No, this case is definitely not over yet, and I just delivered that news to one of the residents who lives here near the golf course. He didn't want to talk to me on camera, but he was pretty upset to hear that news. He said that he's been trying to sell his house for years now, and he can't because of this lawsuit. Today, what happened, basically, the judge agreed with the defense to dismiss portions of the lawsuit. The plaintiff's attorneys will now come back sometime next week to file what's called a non-suit, somewhat withdrawing their case before bringing it back again. We have some video to show you. This all got started about 3 years ago, this case involving Battlefield Golf Club. More than 400 people filed a suit for $1 billion, claiming property damage and health issues as a result of properties that were in the fly ash that was used to build the course. They said that those properties were getting into their water supply. Well, at a hearing in May, the judge asked the plaintiff's attorneys to submit some specific names and claims. The attorneys came back saying their clients, quote, may or would likely have damage to their property or health in the future. Well, today the judge said that wasn't good enough to support a present claim of damage or injury. Representatives for the defense said this case needs to be dismissed.
There have been at least 3 different studies done on the golf course. One was done by EPA itself, another one was that was done, the city hired a consultant, and Dominion has hired a consultant. All 3 of those studies have confirmed that there has been no damage, no intrusion of any of the elements from the golf course into any of the drinking water.
For 3 years, there has been not a single scintilla of evidence of any personal injury by any party from anything from the golf course.
Now, the plaintiff's attorney said that he does have some specific evidence, but it, again, did not make it in this go-around. So he'll be submitting that non-suit next week, basically withdrawing the case, but told me off camera that he'll be reformulating the case. He has about 6 months to bring it back. Again, residents here nearby this golf course are not happy about this news, though a lot of them, because of this ongoing case, 3 years now, are just not wanting to speak on camera. Guys, back to you.